Guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to plot a ascending or even a descending triangle. So first of all, I will show you in the graph. I will plot the triangle first, and I will use a line to plot. So basically this is the highest part of my line, and the triangle will be like this. This will be my triangle. And next I use extend line. So I plot the extend line. So basically you can see this is a triangle, and the triangle will have a breakout when it reaches the support or resistance and move upwards. And if you want to use the triangle breakout tool, you can press for this, and also you can this. They will provide triangle pattern tools, and you can just use it, or even you can make it as favorite and you can use it later. So basically first you need to plot your graph. So you need to find the support and resistance. As you can see, it will generate a triangle and it shows a breakout at here. And if you want to use a synchronized strategy, you can just find at indicators and type for triangle breakout. So basically they will have some triangle breakout indicators that can be used. And for example, this is a breakout. If you want to make a triangle, you can see there are breakout at the triangle. So basically if you make a triangle formation, as you can see, it's a breakout. So yeah, this is how you can draw your own triangle breakout. If you want to learn how to plot a graph in TradingView, you can check the description down below. Thank you.